Alright, I've got the fan shroud out. Now it's time to replace the water pump and thermostat. First step is going to be take the belts off. I already loosened this hose and leaked a little bit of coolant. I want to get these belts out so I don't soak them in coolant and they squeak when I start the car back up. Alright, water pump is out. I'm going to work on draining out more of this coolant, get rid of all this green stuff, replace it with the right blue, replacing all the O-rings on these different pipes, getting my other new parts, cleaning up the block around here, and yeah. Oh, and check the belt drive and see if any of these pulleys are worn out. I can tell that one definitely is. You won't be able to hear it on camera. And yeah, get cleaned up and we'll start reassembling.